So we had this 2019 Atlas come in. It's a 3.6. Came in with a ticking noise. So they sold it obviously with a major engine defect. Granted, I've never tore into one of these ZR6s. I was kind of a little like putting it off because I really didn't want to deal with it. I was like, man, ticking on a Volkswagen, who knows what the fuck I'm going to find. I talked to a couple people I know who work on them. They had no idea. So we dove into it today, and I'm going to show you what we found. The same shit the fucking 3.6 Pentastars do. Rollers fell out, the bearings fell out of the rocker arm, broke in half. And actually it spit this rocker arm out because it locked up, and then one over here was ticking. So we'll just throw some rocker arms in it, and hopefully we should be good to go.